Hi, I'm Vandana from Iridescentsecrets and thank you for stopping by. Couple of happy news to share, and the most significant one being that Dress My Craft has nominated me to be one of the brand ambassadors for 2019-2020. Dress My Craft is a premium brand company catering to innovative crafting supplies for versatile artists. It is an in-house production of Crafters Corner India. If you are new to this field of crafts and hobbies, please do not forget to check them out on their social media pages, and I provided the link below. So one could say that there is a lot of action happening, excitement to absorb, and they are relentless in coming up with innovative ideas to bring artists from all over the world to host workshops. It's an absolutely thriving platform for artists to showcase their talents, and they give back so much more to the community. So when the official letter came through, I was hoping that they had a ready-made design team kit. To my surprise, they decided to open the doors and allow each one of us to tailor our very own design team kit. Yes, you heard it right. I was very completely moved by their warmth and generosity. So today I'm sharing some of their products with you so you could have a close-up view. And also I'm sharing a small crafting haul that I did with a Crafters Corner plus a small giveaway, and it comes from a very happy place, a small expression of my love for this art. So all you have to do is let me know which were your favorite product, and if you would like any product to be showcased in my upcoming project. This way we could connect and start a conversation. So 5 lucky winners will be receiving rice decoupage paper from Patttern's company. So please do not forget to post your comments below, and do follow me on my social media pages, and also please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. There is loads of surprises waiting to be shared, and I cannot wait to get started. Super excited with this dream team, and I'm just super excited, guys, seriously. To begin with, I decided to start with some crafting tools, and the first one that you see is the paper trimmer from Dress My Craft, and they have 3 variations in this segment. One is the guillotine mini paper trimmer, and the paper trimmer that you're seeing right now is 6 inch by 12 inch. Now I'm just removing the top cover so you could have a close-up view. This trimmer comes with 2 attachments. The white blade that you see is actually a scorer, and the orange one is the trimmer. Plus it has an extendable arm, and you could also notice the measurements is there in centimeters and in inches, which makes super easy to do up your projects. Plus this is a must-have product, I feel, because in case you're traveling, this does the job of 2. So I thought it was a wise choice. So next up is my scorer. Now scorer, you can see it in the Crafters Corner. It is in the section where it is branded under paper crafting tools. So they have 2 versions in this. One is the mini scorer, which is 8.5 inch by 6.3 inch, and I bought this multi-purpose scoring board 12 inch by 12 inch. And the reason being because all my projects are something that fits to this scoring board. So that is the reason why I decided to invest into this. The instructions at the back panel are super user friendly, so basically you will have no problems with it. And plus it comes with 2 attachments. One is a bone folder, and the other one is envelope making tool. So, and they sit perfectly at the back of the scorer, and there are those rubber caps that make your scoring board to sit in place while you're scoring the pages. What you see now is the golf groove tool set. They are very super handy tools for making your flower making projects if you're into them. The next up is the non-stick craft mat, and here is where I was a bit confused because they had this mat which is 15 inch by 18 inch, and there are 2 variations in this, so you might be a bit confused by same size but they have different prices. The reason is one is thick and the other one is thin. So right now in my hand is the thin one that I'm holding, and I'm now thinking if I should be showcasing the stencils or the papers. No, I think I'll go with the papers. So Dress My Craft has these amazing collection of scrapbook papers, and they are must have in your collection. So I bought this collection kit called Magical Unicorn, and super vibrant papers, nice for kids theme, and paper shades are very pleasing to the eye. So I bought a 12 by 12. In this collection also comes a 6 by 6, and I bought this die cut instead of a motif sheet, but I think there is a motif sheet also. Recently launched was this paper collection called the Pink Smoke, and I should say this was a heart stealer because I just loved the prints, the vibrancy and the pastel shades, and everything was just singing to me, and I thought this should be the best first thing that I would like to use in my project. So right up is the motif sheet, and there are 2 sheets in one package. So you can see, I think this is the pink smoke motif collection sheet. Now this makes all these things are super handy and super useful stuff, because the sentiments are there, so you could speed up your layouts by, instead of running around trying to match. So now you see is the floral oriental collection, and the other one is the soft floral oriental collection, and they both are of different GSMs, so, and they both have different uses. So if you want further information, please do check out Dress My Craft channel, and it's clearly explained how these are put to use. Now my most favorite product are these stencils, and mixed media is something that I'm very passionate about. So I decided to buy this crackle stencil. It's A4 size and quite sturdy, and this is the ledger script. The next one is the broken map. I think I memorized it by now because I've been dying to lay my hands on them. And the other one is my all-time favorite, is the sunrays, which is so distressed and grungy looking. So yes, those are my favorite stencils. And now I'm thinking what else to show. Yes, so now you're seeing the metal dies. So Dress My Craft has a lot of dies which you can use for multi-purposes, like from making your card making to flower making to creating your scrapbook layouts. So I decided to invest some of that into my collection. So right now what you're seeing is from the Foliage and the Leaves section, and I wanted these because I had a particular project in my mind. So I just wanted to have some variations, and there are a lot of variations in this section, but these were the ones that I wanted to have in my collection. Super thrilled. I haven't yet started using them, but I'm sure it's not going to disappoint me at any point. The next up are the glitters, and I bought this rainbow glitter. One is a microfine glitter, the other one is a chunky one. So I'm just thinking, I don't know why I decided to want both, but I just wanted to see how I can put to use using both these. The next one is the green moss powder, and you can use these in your mixed media projects or for your altered art. It can swing both ways. So I'm just now clearing the table, and there you see the giveaway gifts, and this is the thing that I was mentioning at the beginning. This is the rice decoupage paper for the giveaways, and that is from the Cadence company. It's a golden Moroccan design, so I'm just going to pull it out from the box and show you how gorgeous those prints are. So 5 lucky winners are going to receive those. Oh, those look stunning. So I'm quite happy to share them with you. So I hope my best wishes to whoever gets these. So I'm just shifting that aside. Now next up are these transfer sheets. Now the first up is the home decor transfer, and I wanted to just buy this one. There are a lot of designs, but somehow this one made more sense to me, so I just went for this one. And there is also, like, you know, instruction on the packaging itself, so how to use it, and it's not that hard. So the next up is the fabric transfer. So you could use this for your fabric transfer kind of thing, and they come in various, the first one that was shown was the rose banner, and the second one now I'm showing is bunch of soft roses, and the third one is the queen with roses. Yeah, all these are vintage kind of design, so I think I was quite happy with them. And then these are the watercolor fabric transfers, and you can see there are like 6 pictures in them. So the cover looks almost the same, but like the first one, I think I bought the unicorn one, so they have ticked that with the black ink, so I know exactly which picture I'm getting. And then that's the lilies one. So I bought 2 of those because I had a particular project in my mind, so I just invested in 2 of those. And now I'm thinking, what is the next? Okay, now what you're going to see is my Crafters Corner haul. And again, my passion for stencils is like never ending. So I'm just buying more and adding more to my collection. There you see the straight lines. This is again vintage script, and I've used this stencil before, and it's amazing. I mean, it's value for money. And this is the distressed blocks. This one is new for me, so I think I must have left it out when it was launched. This is butterfly splatter, and it's giving me ideas. And this is my super favorite. I think this is going to become one of my most treasured stencil in my collection. And this is, oh, it's not tagged yet. Okay, I'll share the link down so you know you're not confused with the names, and in case if you're interested, so please do follow the links. Now I'm going to show the amazing sequences. So your eye should literally pop out now, because these sequences, I just bought 2 of those. I don't know why, but I just couldn't, you know, I didn't want to go out of stock, so I decided to buy and keep, because people are going crazy when they do their shopping. Suddenly I see all of the items suddenly out of stock in Crafters Corner, so that's a race that I have to keep up with. And now I'm showing you some crystals. So this, you can use it for mixed media purposes and also for altered art. And this is a microfine dust. I'm sorry, I'm not focusing on the product name, but I'm just showing. Rather, I think I kind of got overexcited, and I decided to, you know, just show the product but not share the names. But these are there in your glitter sequins collection in Crafters Corner. So if you go there, you can check out their lovely collection. They even have these beautiful pearl like thingies for flower making stuff. So that's me and my excitement running away. Sorry guys, I should have been more careful about that. So what is the next on agenda is, yeah, the bone folders. And these are some of my favorites. These are Teflon bone folders, and their uses are different, but there are many variations. If you see it in Crafters Corner's website, like they have a lot of different bone folders for different utilities, so do check them out. And one more stencil. Yeah, I'm going to be at this rate a huge stencil collector. and I think I'm running out of places, so I might have to hire another one house to stash my stuff. So after this is, yep, now comes the favorite part again, scrapbook papers. You can see the Floral Symphony there, and this was quite old collection, I think. I don't know why I didn't buy and keep them in my stash, but then there is that Romantic Roses. Yes, the paper, some of these papers are like, I just can't let go. Like, I don't know what will I do if they ever run out of stock. And this one is the Magnolias. Super vibrant. I love the pastel blues and the popping vibrant violet colors. So yes, and I bought the corresponding motif sheets. There you see the 6x6 paper pads also I decided to buy. Normally I'm very happy with the 12x12, but I don't know why I couldn't stop myself from also having these 6x6, and the motif sheets you are seeing right now from the respective collections. The girl you're seeing right now is the Floral Symphony, and the down one is the Romantic Rose. Yeah. So slowly I'm trying to memorize the products, because normally this is a product, guys, like I have been waiting in queue literally to have them in my hands and to show it today to you. This was something that I wanted to have in my stash for a long time, and these are resin. Of course they're very delicate, and I just wanted them as my home decor collectibles, so I decided to invest on those. These are actually in my crafting hauls, so in case if you're interested, just go to Crafters Corner website and you can find it under the category called the resin molds or something like that. Yeah, so I'm just like, it's just like I don't know what I'm doing right now, but right now I'm just trying to rip off the package. This is the butterfly, and see how super gorgeous they are. And there are 3 sizes in this, with a hook at the back. Either you can hang it, or either you could put it up on your wall. So I wanted all the 3 sizes, and you'll be seeing them now. I'm just moving it because I don't want to break it. I think I'll have a heart attack if I break one. We don't want that, do we? Yeah, the round frame. So a lot of people use these for mixed media projects. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. They're super light, but yes, they're super pretty too. Again, I think I'm taking time to open the next butterfly, because the packaging is like crazy. So Crafter Corner, like when you order stuff from them, they are very, very smart to see that none of the packaging gets broken, and they are like well oiled machine. This customer service is impeccable, and they are very driven to give their best service out there. So next up, I think this is the smaller one. I think I'm still missing the medium sized butterfly. Yeah, there you are. So I got that, and the bigger one. Yes, super happy to have these in my stash. I don't know if I'll be altering them, because seriously I don't want to alter them. I think they look beautiful as they are. So yes, I'm just going to just keep them and put them up in a place where my eyes can always rest. So so that's all, guys. So that's the end of my journey. So please do comment and share your views. Looking forward for your continued support and best wishes. Thank you for being here with me, and until next time, till I come up with new projects, bye bye.